What's up, everybody? It's your girl, Jade, one of your co-hosts from Chit Show. Also, I want to give a shout out to the other co-host, Uno. Hey, bestie, sweetie. It's like, let me stop playing. So, I'm trying something different. I'm doing it on my tablet. Hopefully, you guys will be able to hear me. So, just hope everybody's weekend went well. Hope everybody's Monday is going good so far. So, we have reached that time again. Yes, tonight is the Chit Chat Chew show, and our awesome guest is going to be CIARA SINKFIELD. She is a tax specialist in the metro Atlanta area. I'm sure she'll probably travel to you, meet in a mutual space or whatever the case may be. But she's going to be live in the studio today from 6 to 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. So you can call in and ask all of those tax questions if you have not done your taxes yet, so you can make sure that they're done properly, because we don't want to be paying the IRS. I know I don't. And I need to get mine done too, so let me stop procrastinating. So anyway, from 6 to 8 p.m., the number to call in is 404 47